cholesterol, blocked arteries, increased heart risk. What if the solution is something you have been told to avoid, feared for its fat, but could it actually protect your heart? Ayurveda calls it Amrit. Science backs its benefits, but are you using it the right way? I, Dr. Vikas Sangotra, will reveal the truth only on eBlosis. Ghee has long been a key ingredient in Ayurvedic medicine and modern culinary traditions. But with its high fat content, questions about its effect on cholesterol are common. In this video, we will dive into both modern and Ayurvedic perspective on ghee's health properties, how it may help manage cholesterol, and how to use it effectively in your diet. So first of all, number one is to understand ghee's properties in modern science and Ayurveda. In modern nutrition, ghee is recognized for its unique fat profile and its high content of beneficial compounds. It's primarily composed of saturated fat, that is 62 to 68%, with butyric acid, a short-chain fatty acid, playing a key role in gut health and reducing inflammation. Ghees also contain mono-unsaturated fat, that is 28 to 30%, such as oleic acid, which supports heart health, and polyunsaturated fats like linoleic acid and CLA, conjugated linoleic acid. CLA is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, contributing to fat reduction and immune system support. Ghee is also rich in fat-soluble vitamins, including A, E, D, and K2, which support various bodily functions like vision, skin health, and calcium absorption. Additionally, it provides medium-chain triglycerides, that is MCTs, known for their quick energy-boosting properties. Trace minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium further enhance ghee's nutritional profile. From an Ayurvedic perspective, ghee is considered a Snehanam Uttanam, means ghee is the best among all the lubricating or oleating substances. It is described as having the qualities which are very unique to ghee, which states that Ayurveda quote said, Mridu Shita Virya Anabhishanti, meaning it is soft, it is gentle, cooling, and very specific term that has been given to ghee is Anabhishanti, means it doesn't causes any blockages or obstruction in the body. In Ayurveda, ghee is used to balance the doshas, support digestion, and rejuvenate the body. How ghee can help reduce cholesterol? So ghee's properties are beneficial for cholesterol management, especially when consumed in the moderation. Ghee is considered non-blocking, that's what I just talked right now, is Anabhishanti. So in Ayurveda, the meaning it doesn't contribute to the formation of harmful fats or cholesterol plaques in the arteries. The key is its composition. When it contains a high percentage of saturated fats, these are balanced by the presence of CLA, which has been shown to reduce body's fat and improve lipid profile by lowering the level of harmful LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol. According to a study titled The Effect of a Ghee Clarified Butter on Serum Lipid Levels and Microsomal Lipid Peroxidation, ghee has been linked for favorable changes in the cholesterol levels, promoting heart health. The addition of a black pepper and cinnamon while consuming ghee is particularly helpful as these ingredients are known for their fat-burning and cholesterol-lowering properties. So, how to use ghee to reduce cholesterol? Have the maximum results to reduce the cholesterol. To maximize the cholesterol lowering benefits of the ghee, it is best to consume it in a specific ways. The ideal method is to take a small amount of a ghee on an empty stomach in the morning, which is very important. And while taking it empty stomach in the morning, mix it with the pinch of a black pepper and cinnamon to enhance its fat reducing benefits. So this combination is thought to helpful stimulate your digestion and metabolism, making it easier for the body to process the fat efficiently. However, to see these benefits, it's crucial to also follow a balanced lifestyle. So cut down other fats. Excessive intake of other fats can lead to unhealthy fat deposits in the body, counteracting the benefits of ghee. As a part of lowering the cholesterol is avoid late night eating, because eating dinner before 7:30 p.m. helps the body to detox and rejuvenate naturally, reducing the risk of cholesterol buildup. And also avoid late night munching, because late night munching, it disrupts your digestive fire at the night and leads to the formation of AMA, the toxic in the body, which can contribute to the poor cholesterol levels. Another important point is maintain consistent meal times. Irregular eating habit upset the body's rhythm, leading to improper digestion and accumulation of unhealthy fats. Steer clear of processed foods. Refined grains like white rice, wheat flour, sugars, junk food are high in empty calories, promoting fat accumulation and increasing cholesterol levels. So the question is, how much ghee should you take? So, moderation is a key when incorporating ghee into your diet. According to most health guidelines, a typical adult requires 2000 to 2500 calories a day, depend upon the factor such as your age, activity level, and body composition. According to Harris-Benedict equation for basal energy expenditure, to maintain a healthy fat intake, ghee should constitute not more than 30% of your daily calories, which equals around 600 calories. Since 1 gram of a fat provides 9 calories, so if we calculate, the ideal amount of ghee to consume is around 30 to 60 grams per day. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of ghee without overloading on fats. So ghee, when consumed in moderation and with the right guidelines, can become a powerful ally in reducing cholesterol levels. Rather than contributing to higher cholesterol, following Ayurvedic and modern guidelines ensure that ghee works in harmony with the body to promote heart health. By taking ghee on an empty stomach in the morning with beneficial ingredients like black pepper and cinnamon, along with cutting down on harmful fats, processed foods, and irregular meal timings, ghee helps enhance digestion, reduce inflammation, and regulate lipid profile. With consistent and mindful consumption, ghee can support healthy cholesterol levels and contribute to overall well-being. So don't forget to subscribe to eBlosis for more Ayurvedic wisdom. Lots of love to all beautiful souls out there. Namaste.